Yaba mu nyina makwa ba bia da se so guso ehwe Badwam on Adom TV. Live on Facebook Adom TV, YouTube so Adom TV na sekese enkoma professor Ike Wala so de agode mu nsem ebreye. Ma me kira Adam so de ewura efisem emum yedi efiemu enkoma bia du de ebehwe o my Ghana nkanko ene ne mpontu. Ye fe ne Mpensenpensenmu Badwam dwumadi so medin de akwasi ensi efa na sekese enkoma Hepa Plus mixture. Edu papa ene abadwa so bia enumbie emanetu ne ntidi yade ase edi amano mesra wada se malaria nkwa na etete wa memo bia enda daw Hepa Plus make sure beboa etu ase edi amamo mai ba bia to ado bia no okwa onsa ebeka bi atosanso na Franco Trading Enterprise fun papa efie enso en hodom se ope phone se ope gas cooker se eye TV se eye fridge se eye laptop bibia ope bia efa edem ni pa kwa odumedie bia de odo ne eche Franco Trading Enterprise ewo enkran komaseta krade a obenya bi ato hwehwamo ewo enkran hanum kokomlemle na obutuo sanso na Kel Charcoal toothpaste ye de po yesen amyesen ayefita serebia enka papa so be free enum enso ede abene obi ntimi nyu enka asumsem because sebion kan ye tedo efri wonum eba no ya na entwaye Kel Charcoal toothpaste na mekanfo ede ebidie na ede aye se ne kandite ni edi bidie ebro body te so etwiese ma ne fita twie tekrema so e man ka papa efrenum eba ne sapepepe na yaye no eya pebito wate ne mo enti efiofo nyina obia enum emfa ema no sanso na City Blood Tonic mojadru papa ne aba edwa so mojadru ahyemu ma no enye adeketo akra obi onum bia gitum se ampa onum City Blood Tonic ebobo ehyehew eyo kama ema onye kese emroso ema nipadua egina naso eye pa baby eto adobe akwa pebi eto ne bo ewo fom ye say mego na so asene emyere Mpensenpensenmu dwumadie eto aso de ama ewo Badwam dwumadie eso badwafo atena se Henry Kwabena Kokofo eye executive director Edma Environmental Protection Agency ebrebi etwo na oye member of parliament ema de hia ewo Bantema the heart of Kumasi sanso ena odmenyamfo Eric Afo enso ye MP Edma de hia wo Amenfi West abato empesiasom baby anopaye hye nkobode every director patch video na ready patch me ne one na wo Facebook YouTube and one na ehwe live on TV enhwebi one na yesisom ye asojafo akwa kire Ghana ne hye bi ese omo ye galamsey na ateti a ye de omo afam no enya asem kuma ensuo chakachakamu ene mo de omo nim abutu edware ensuo se ene asotwe a ye de ebom ti wo ahwe live on Facebook on Adom TV, wa share YouTube, Adom TV. Wo face na share video no e na da honum no. Timrante na asojafo no kwachiom se omo ye galamsey no. Omo e na e da hono. E ja wo hwe bi no. When a minority call for say yenye nhwemu esan se amamra yes ekutia se ye be galamsey. Na so amra kro na kire kwan ye befa so a ye betwe obi aso, ye chi obi saa o saa kwa ne so a. Lawyer Henry Kwabena Kokofo oye mranim ni ona asada yipia no boko de akra
me joso bro hinaba
bantima boko
Adom ne mpa bonti
ye de yamias
yes o ma munu nyina obi achi obi adofo ne wahwefo so mo pass so manache
mo fanu no okay
ni so te bantima
bantima de tenese utie
me bo makura bi o
na Ampofo West boko de
me West boko na enya boko sa
adede na
chia atifo kankan ma oye penya ba be president e wo Ghana 2025
okay
John Dramani Mahama
anya Kwabena
Adom one of the choose be my
choose be ma
mama come there now come there
that's me be something
me chair be will be party panyfo ne straight to Ampofo West I'm chair over Roxiamo the party chairman so muguso mo ye reorganization we are more than say Badwam Ampofo West team said the team there be na okay now me come Ampofo West as some kakra give me some few minutes. Our major concerns are roads more for cry away say Ampofo West oba cocoa production some of the cocoa districts and they produce enough cocoa as at now we are leading na ya kwanya 2016 the demand contractors nyina go some boy town roads, a boy to Asenkrogwa, a more to Pristia, over Sengwa town roads. Contrasting if you can so. And I'm worried. Last time, if we call Bremen to Fort Jokrom.
Okay.
Last 2 weeks, me call me Fakwan so. Contractor no packing in a say site. Simply because I ban no emanity come into a so. To me, that's my headache. Body to Asenkrogwa Road. Body Asenkrogwa. Almost by 45 kilometers. Can take you about 1.5 hours. So I'm pleading. Me go so many painful can once. Intimate more if me TV and viewers for say you go so any abano eka because you ho na ye de akwanema contractors any ho na aban contractors na free so you have to force them work hard.
Aban na contractors na contractors na free
oh
side.
make o man is card on way na free kan so many is card here.
Okay.
One body to Asenkrogwa Road. We have 2020 budget. We say you pick some roads in this country, any critical roads. I hope so now follow those things. About 52 roads.
It's part of the year of road declaration.
Yes, 2020. I count. We call 2020 budget, paragraph 748.
Okay.
Oh, border Asenkrogwa Road. Even yet they up to Samraboy, 71 kilometers. So I don't know why this is happening to the Wasses, the Memphis. So Mesro Bia say Guso Yane Abano Ekan Wase. So the contractors will come back. The Bia Mekase say Aban will cry anya kwana. Amenfi roads. Me come Menfi roads, me come Menfi East, Amenfi Central, Amenfi West, and this Aban pay akwanina edamai. Okay. Thank you.
Lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Obuase Galamses ya kutu amususa. Ya titi bimudu omonu. Nkase nso chakachakemo. Minority fee say twa despite the fact say omaya ade a ekotia Ghana amamra. And I believe say that humiliation dey emom no. And for ye. We executive director ma EPA. What should be the way forward?
The fight against illegal mining. Okwa yakutia afumagudi a yintu no mra kwanso. So my money na ye de ho jimu aba bedrum pempenso ayewe. Enye okonketwa if say e social implications bebre.
Yeah.
Ofa enema emano koso no economic. Obi susu se esese ono susu ye adwuma na adwuma peso ye ene form agudie. Na mmom ne ye ka se famra kwan no so na ye ne esese ye. Wa oni ana anye ne sa waya asobrache emra ne kwan trudo no wo a ye chisafo na ye de wonfa so nti mene won a nipa nyina e condemn sa act me no ya adwen enye ne kwan so the edikasime wo mni se nra tie mansoafo abedi akire our Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources Honorable Mrekuduka ono no ye directly in charge of mines. Now or kase ne penin Honorable Abujinapo ahye se ntempa no ye hwehwem wape abedwakuo na isan se on a ye kase omu ye saa no isusu se omu ye so asojafo ebise se ehunso se soja atade
Sure.
Pempi no allegation do se soja atade but bia bekobekom no
Onye soja ni
kra but men kan se omu nya sojafo anyway. So when say esanse efa bambo nhihyeefo ho ntine se bambo adwumakuo no kese ye military penifo so ebem nti ebe joint ministerial etinyade a mpanini eda so minyini se yuragina pone na so ebetena ho ahwese bia bibise akoso abra ntempa no muntu ho anamo nti for minorities omu beba bontia be condemn yes they have the right and then also say omu betimi omeka say yenya hwehwemu yes they have the right but omu ntia se su hu say abam mpenifo adwumadi insha onsa no onso wotema na onim nia eye na esefata nti Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources ye koso ahye won kran se omo modena na omu ntu ho anamo indeed a environmental issue bani say a on sunsanso wo oba de ebobre nhise ho but menti ya menya a minim ni say a major mining company concession mu
say Anglo Gold Ashanti omo concession mu ana ekupie bani sa na enye of reserve just a concession in concession be also is supposed to be reserved na yen tiase ehu se yen ya aso nipa den na yepe se nyina ya beka ya mre bi atwam ko na Anglo Gold adwuma akwase pa eto ase egui ema mpanifo de controls abre na ban a wo ho anim aminu ye no ka ho Yura Mahama former president na ban anim se Anglo Gold egu aguni santi mo bi o a mo no kra ye nse da bi nya de a umdo mo bi ade bebo ti begu ewu ma sa the records are there the records are there enti e ma hu ku hia se mpani do anu tumbi e kai pa santemawira to kokoso say to the second 24 na no tumu bi enti bra na ntoabo ekoso for election 2016 no aseba akwa na dan kwakufu ado kan se beye den be nwanwa se adwumakuo kese tese sa adwumadi a wo mu die no eboa oman sikakọ mu nsem production investment na afi efanipa mamu ane ma ya adwuma mabunu ma wo mutimi nya adwuma ye na afi oboase ma kronu gina na naso ebehwe amena gusa enti se nyame na dom no ba ba mu a kwan bia so a na ban betu na obe anamo bi obetu enu nti ampediampa nyame na dom early 2017 eko 2018 na Anglo Gold Ashanti senjira na naso na o how ba ko ane wom kese pa ma adwumakuo no na eguo nti won ano on dia no abamu abuo no mpeso mu gya hokọ eyese nkrofo ofum agye won saase mon concession
afa na ukoka dubi abi kura no mu gas no kura yekunkum bi epre bi no ene ade nti na yo dadwene pa na esa aban no hyebo as part of say efro amoma babak de ayen hihye na adwuma na san gina biu na atimi aboa ma yafa mabuna adwuma no na aboa ma o man sikasem so akoso no na esa aban hyebo se kwa bia so yebeboa won no mabo on concessions ho bai anti edidimu a womu na bibi kakraba but all said and done Ghana for many any ayadishia so ti se bibi kura ni na mfumso bi aba ana simple asondin bi aba ye wo mra kwan ni ade a ese do onfa so sa treatment na ye hu wo video so no min ti se de baby adu min timi kasa nya sa na che sa na che entwa ye enye hwehwemu no nko won a kudi se adwuma no so an de ompe na kudi esenso orders bi no mudidi se adwuma na yenhunu na baby a no pumasi bibia ye mfanto
but o share government bo show de ema Anglo Gold Ashanti penifo say ye beboa protect omo concession and into omo sabe revive adwuma no ye ne akwa wie say ye mrante ne mabawa atiesi omo concession mu e2 part of omo adwuma no mo eye ne bia na enya de yebesa ma omonya adwensakra ye ewo se ne adwuma ekura ba ekura ban ka so bebo ye ho ban no abaya itimi amoyo ban tin ye mfese na de ye nkokura
anunti ana akoye sepani kunura otase ano atase no banyansafo we de a de ejina mfimfini ye onipa onipa so nye nipa hunu bia Ghana mabunu Ghana japade Ghana ma so nti from so na aba from so ba baby bebre de bia na ye wone kwan fare kwan a ye faso a ada zenye the first time bia wo mo ye kire saafo ni bi no bia kire bia do ma prosi na de nhihye bia wo mu se court na eso ni ye de ne kwa de na kọ akotie na no asem so na eno nso so adimu na we a ye ni se no ye be stress yɛn tonkoso a me mabunu ne hunu se enye 7 prediasa kira na obi kiri obi se ompene ma wonye galamse ana woni se adwuma ne mo wa wo and danger our life to start with afei so mines adwumakuo kɛseɛ te sɛ no mokɔ hyɛaseɛ na kukuru mu yɛ ebi kura na bobi na yɛ ekuta nneɛma mu wokɔ twini sɛ krim wanku ho a wasan sɛ wo mu nhyehyɛ no ma de nyinaa no ɛho ka ne ɛho esan yɛ bebrebe nti ɛnyɛ fa wokɔfa koyɛ gold adwuma no nko ana yɛbɔ ho ban yɛbɔ nkwa ne ahoɔden ne agyapadeɛ nyinaa ho ban so ho nti predodoɔ na yɛka sɛ yɛnkuntia illegal mining no yɛka sɛ foma gudie na yɛtu a mmara mata ho na no nti yɛnya adagye ne abotrɛ ɛnhwɛ yɛne ayapɔmuden ne yɛnkwa ho asɛm ehia pa there's a rumors going on sɛ mɛma no bebree kɔ saa bia hɔ na san tu wɔn ka fam bebree wɔn nka
amana bu kata wɔn so da bia
yɛnka na wobɔ na oba wo faase na fe wo hu no ontrenka aya so otu kwan na nso bia akɔsha amenase.
But as executive director ofi se kwan aye fa so aye ko galamse o ye mem no e kwan tene ne so de nam ana os ebra so se ke be sakrebo kakra because Lucy Asif say ya still I don't know asitu ni ya yeden
amama ya omuwo good wo ho na se adwumadie koso eye bebre South Africa example or oko Latin America countries in Peru no mone ina bebre se we hwehwemu na Russia kwa akira uhunu se ya tete mama bebre Tanzania bebre anom ne ade na ode oye ntoto ho kakra uhunu se ye kra mpo se mpo yakoya nim kakra eche binom but nka se de ye wo mu eye asodin ti na mra wo mra ye adwuma nka na asrafo ne apolisifo ba mu anaka hu kakra bam nso akoduru Mpensenpensenmu bi a nipa ye na adwen se de meya na meye ye de bi to afiase ye bobika ye bi se ni nyina hoping se anka ehu bebam na ye bejai binum so aka se adwuma ni ho nti the friend alternative livelihood se adwuma foforo ana bibi foforo me na wo fa adwumakuo kase te se Anglo Gold Ashanti a isa ba bia metie ni nti ye ne saafo no ye adwuma pa onwon hihye bibire a mabununum ne ade ewo miamia wo mutu gold won pese wo musua nsan adwuma omboa won ma won saa kwan no won so apese wo mu ye gold adwuma na ankasa nso bredu no mo fa nipa omo fa won etire ni won ani ade but ubenya obi a obekwa akoye gold adwuma na kakra akatubosumi akatua de ma no ni ade no osusu se isa no de won pe enu nti obedan no ho na nhwehwemu ba ko bi a me research a me ye for me thesis work HSL o ma ye galamse ni bebre nso ye won a aye mines adwuma ni bi pen nti o mu wo a bit know how technical dia ne kakra nti won na eye galamse masters no ansa no ma fa galamse boys nti eye levels nti galamse master no afa galamse boys ansa na o galamse investor no bi otinkra na akumase
okom ne to chamfan ne ade ne mamra ntene konso no
nti ono no nsi wira mu da na yere ne manyina ada so nti nkrofoma to ono no di nisika no de apia won nkrofoma nti galamse master no afa galamse boys no na cheso nso apia won matiko and they are earning as low as 50 Ghana cedis a day.
Galamse boys no
yes or any kesipa 50 Ghana cedis a day into what the pa na ubetimi ayi na wabodo ayi double shift
okay
no pani anwumre shift so you are sure of getting 100 Ghana a day so enti ade ya tete sem ne ahomete sem won of all this risk dom koye ni ade nyina se nyame ye wandom no munya gold na de o manya bi kona won be kwa kodi won ho a o mu di bedi ye no omo mahabi dabi ne ba na techewe mu ono ne ba ne bi kura kwa school abuchire nti wo no be free atechewe mu ne brewe nyina no de be kwa kodi ono de e be kɔ ne ho pa finally no ono no ne mako school abuchire ene ade nti emre du se ye hwɛ saa ne ma we nyina na yɛhwɛ no wɔ social setup mu yɛhwɛ no wɔ asetena ne abrabom ɛnɛ wo se ɛkɔmani brenti ana sikani brenti obɛku ho akɔyɛ wei bi yare ebefiri mu bɛba pra bi ebefiri mu bɛba sika a wobɛnya kakra no nyina ntimi nsɔ ano da obi hɔ kra na oda sukuu mu sikani brenti na namfo abɛdaadaa no na wafiri sukuu mu o maame na papa na koto sukuu mu no wafiri sukuu mu na odi akyire ni nyinaa ya ade a yaka ho asema kan but emredu se esese model bofo ne nsenkyerofo yi ye sachira nya wo kanu kwan ya ye fa so ko
ye fight
na ye mfa ntete ne nkyerkyere no so ye ma ne ntimi ne kese nye de bia na ese ye de aba pu ye call na so ne won ye nkyerkyere ne me maka say the best way out say ubeyi galamsey boys na free system no say itimi nya kwan pa bi na galamsey boys na wo fo mo na ebe kwa amna yi wo mu free mu pe ebe ka galamsey master no galamsey master no so nya de abokwa kofa ne ma abaye nti galamsey master na ntimi ankwa galamsey investor no no what is financier no o invest bi
ora wuti message we Agwasinsia, good morning, watching you live from Adom. Please, the army men should have done worse than we are seeing. These galamsey operators are very wicked. Come to my community and see what they are doing. They are clearing people's cocoa and palm plantation farms without their knowledge, making people here more worried. Chinese men destroying a tax-paying Ghanaian man farmland without their knowledge. Ghana.
Yeah, that is another aspect of it. Yeah, but now a children me name me operasi di nkomo. On say ne constituency.
Yeah.
Almost mining community.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's how we now.
And it's a
cocoa growing areas no me ade. Na kwan ya o Kenya o ye no crowd and me baso actually but onim ne so ye. Onim se no ozise no of a road minister o ho. Onim so tro parliament come speaker bema
minister ababina no
se waja be wan kanisa
mama clear that
obe clear but the fight against galamsey and the torture Ghana mabuno I go through because yakochi omo Anglo Good Ashanti for concessions.
Okay. Maybe no, but I'm claim of the of a better parliament. That's the 7th parliament, right?
Yeah.
And
6th parliament.
6th parliament, right? Oba parliament, MPs omo kasafa omo kwan ho enya. On very careful. Enti offer say questions ne other platforms they use to say abanity said.
What file
can enough.
Fire. Okay, cause
questions and the rest. Me what videos ni bi.
Mo aba mum.
Na me kra no pese. Ye de mo offer eco privileges committee.
Hey.
Oh no, governor assurance.
Oh, okay.
Road minister.
Because
there are a
lot of promises away. Especially on board there Asengwa Road.
Okay, wouldn't be we shall discuss this side with
into another okay. Mame Mona Baso say oye panibia oye justice oka there and this I know you say papa make can ba confirm no say oye honest oka no correct it's true there a course wo Anglo Good Ashanti omo force no I think say a soldier for no entwe
okay
and me more JJ John Jinapo Abaso
okay
as the leader of the committee or issued that statement and run. And that is beauty of democracy.
Okay.
Washington Abuse committee no man few months, few days, few hours on certain committee.
Oh no, I that.
Na meba. But say a small kind. Now of you because a human rights matter. Sabio say we check krom for kra we krom kra so be we awadia of be we ofunia. When you rise say Obono, Iprano, Ikunu. And so they no cover bia a bit much so. Perhaps you don't know the reason now, before cell phone. If you had that material moment, no, on to me and can't reason of nam so be den obe fa phone nchiro nti ade nko ba bia obenya convenience no achechire ma next time bia no anya bi mame enka se asemwe adahwache me dese mo fatia sa Anglo Gold Ashanti omo force no issues no concession upon finance form now unclear once and for all.
What is the issue?
I'm coming to tell you.
Okay.
Part of the concession, the community thinks it's not part for the Anglo Gold Ashanti. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
And I had there for so many years. Okay. Recently, on the petition, Ama the ministry, to the member of parliament, and the municipal assembly. Okay. Say abandoning transit. Now, on solve that issue. When him say, the call first, Emma abano etnasi, you could try some part with the mamu. Say they can mine over the small scale mining. But they think say, we will come on. It's not enough. Still, almost the land no, it be war. Anglo Gold Ashanti for the name. That is the matter. And yes, I don't want people to say, Nkolara no masho mo or Mako Rura Anglo Gold for first concession. There's a matter we need to solve. So, Mestre, to trust Aban. Say, as some yes, oh, at times, I'm young Tenasima, as some see. Say, it could be at the assembly, but to Aban anymore. On try as much as possible. So, bet me, what solve those issues? That is why you are there. Until Nagana for to Abama. America will say, Metier, sir, group of people, no, that family within that area, no, fasa petition from Remy. Because me MPO, you to Abama, into why to Abama as the president. Now also president, where you minister, your MPO, those people should sit down and solve this matter. See, and solve this matter. This matter will continue. So, Metier, what can I see here? In the minds of a Mebrunom Cornum, or more Anglo Gold Ashanti for concession. I don't feel some community concession. Exactly. Oh. May this is what the information we have on the table. Okay. You had your time. Yeah. But yes. So maybe what I'm pleading, because the MP has told me about 2 weeks ago, say the youth no at the Sa petition I
Oh, okay.
In confidence. I will go on a community, you know, or more kasa about it. So, Mr. as early as possible. Mama, young train master, it will use some, sir, to some and son abino to one more. Say, was set a committee, I'm very happy. Say, as early as possible, now I'm on your side. My memory was so. Abine or nano custom. That is the problem. Intina ama small scale mining and illegal miners no. Uma taking advantage. Oko 2016, 2020, your manifesto NDC editor. They have been say we are bringing regulations, proper ones. We know this here. Upon all the policies are emra. Community mining, arrangements are you can't even identify who is illegal miner and a small scale miner.
Community mining
What I say, me say upon all the arrangements are they are to guide small scale or private miners. No.
Okay.
You can't identify who will be your juma, you can't identify say where small scale miner are licensed. And I say, you know, or your pulley.
But Eric, what do you say? There should be a distance between you and Ensua and Fuo.
Intina, make Kambaho. Because of that, clear cut laws, no. Anyhow, and supervision is when you do. Nipa no kwa okwa jene de okwa galam stop ne sa de be nyina within the first era of the MPP what happened abani tresika I remember Ministry of Fiscalization 32 million. That was 2019 budget. A mobile. A Parliament. 32 million. And I got long stop ne division. No.
Yeah.
They spent that money. They could see. So Abmane said that it's not rooted to fight against the illegal, miners and the rest. In the message, there should be a clear-cut policy and laws. And lastly, the Americans say, it's a ban no area no yes idea because statistics say cocoa go to Ghana about 33% every small scale miners. 33%, and I think my uncles are away. It is about the sana say, won't man manage that food here? What is happening? We are diminishing that sector.
Okay.
Intimacy, the government to sit up.
Okay.
Thank you.
But I say, we embrace na ya ma beto aso emfa emfio Mpensenpensenmu won Badwam dwumadi so eni hwewe ye ba ese ya makwa ba ebiem edeba Mpensenpensenmu dwumadi so on Badwam on Adom TV. Akwasi tell Honorable Eric Afo what the NDC Deputy National Communications Officer Kwaku told the Galam says that the NDC will allow them to do illegal mining if they are voted into power. NDC has nothing good for this country. Because greetings to Honorable Kokofu, Alex Tufo, Edway, Efri, Hamburg, Germany, and Ode Ebai. We see the license they give to us is useless, but we paid for it. Government is cheating us. Alasan Abdul Wadud, and so anyway, and so Ebena. Honorable, this is a question be Ewaha. Akwasi, please ask Honorable Eric Kokofu, when are they paying with the NAPCO training?
NAPCO.
It's all of you share this small scale miner, yeah. The issue is license Wababejino or describing as useless, but they paid for the license.
Asemo. Answer na akwaje license no.
Okay.
Wa na obeye o map. Na wa ye obi bia de akọ Minerals Commission. Se Papa Minerals Commission aha ene ha. The Minerals Commission hwen krata mu ni ade na se da hokwa. Ni ya ne the license na ma. Na de yesu otua no ho watua. Na ade kọ na license na ntimi fanya adwuma. Chese asase na wo de kọ se ukọ ye de ama won. Ebi a gold ni bi ni so. Enti adwuma gold adwuma ye no de na sase pa ni so be ye prospecting exploration no hu se baby potin na me kwa Ampofo-Adjei no menya agudie ni bi o na me de atemeka no ne ade na se okoye no try and error obi etu gold nti so akwaje asase na try and error afi wo ye na onya bia enye obi na asisi wo
ene mom didiko ensuo
enti de nipa dodo ne ye ne se asase na ti se de no akwaje na ya man license ti de mani wi a afi na odi pina konsuo ho ya na nsuo mu na baby eti se ukọ body chem say na wo ye legal dabi me am license ni ampeni ampo license but baby potnia location e de man site no watra ho eno ne one aspect two wo kwaje license no enye obi na share wo say brana beje ahasase eye wo na wakwaje let me know can regulations and formalization and emagu akwam very soon to back we di kan kese and it's all small scale mining activities in nyina omo ba be post to their friend reclamation bond.
Okay,
just what funtum asase na wie no ne de be krakra asase na e se wutua sika to ho sika no untua ma Environmental Protection Agency.
Okay,
nemum ubetua to bank escrow account account no it will be owned by wo company no any EPA na da ho uwie wadwuma bread ya mawo na wosi wawie ne eba behwe ana ye hu se wawie na wo kata so se ne wo ankasa ye hihye se obekata so na ne edua no bae na usika no akofa wade.
Okay,
se wa anya ne saa na ya follow on usika no na district na ewo no na ya ye nhihye
it's kana utwa to escrow account.
Yes.
Okay,
na district no authority no ne niema ne ya nhihye ne ya kan gum Yeah, okay. So you forfeit the money. Okay. Now, and you know, and say mechanics say because you know the inkuta. Okay. You know, on leadership. Yes. Oh, yeah. Part of education. Because they're about public. Okay. And see, you know, small scale mining association. No, before no, you know the inkuta or members no there. Very soon we roll it out. But yeah, a year say. Senka won nyina yes adwuma di wo hu share sa association no mu a nka menu ya wo ka se aban sisi ni association no wo a wo betimi de no aboa no wo kwan bi so na ka sisi ekuro na aban sisi no na ka wa me hu na ya address ya ma no na se de wo ka ne tra se de me hu se
na Eric ne be de ne papa mu
a you see these are certain things that make am hasam chiro and obeka say MP before we are one of the points in our manifesto.
Oh,
because
reclamation board, you know.
Yes, it's true. Oh, these are certain suggestions that you okay. You see. Okay, and I'm
redraw because we check the one ever have redraw because we check the house. But I don't grab it. What I can see association. But I don't grab and make us say
2020 manifesto him. But
wait a minute, Mamma, reclamation bond. Yeah. And yard for Yamra for.
Oh, okay.
LI 1652 of 1999, Regulation 23, clear. EPA MREM.
Okay.
The large scale mining operations, you know, some ran a year for the past 22 years. Into large scale 40 Anglo Diake. Yeah. Oma Triesica Pudu to her.
Okay.
At the bank for reclamation. Enti galam say 4 year koya omu says answer no. E kotia omu. Anglo go do for say sikan.
Ko sa musika na be kwa ko ide abeye.
That's the point. Enti Anglo go do ye adwuma nyina wo siesie nsase no. Yeah. Wo siesie na duru ba bia na aba ye EPA ho. Na yakwa akohwe ne ehun sampa wa siesie wa ya ade. Na ya man certificate. E kire say sa portion ne de wa reclaim. Okay. Beba small scale for some reasons small scale mining no samrana ya fanya adwuma da until recently
okay
me ba office ana minister oho me no ye ne say emra no say ye dey part of the formalization
and the aba count this time round
and yes aba count we wo na ya fanya adwuma
so we wanted to use this
as a matter because Eric Afo MP4 Amenfi West so and lawyer Henry Kwabena Kokofu executive director of the Environmental Protection Agency Ejumekun me da wasesa no pay moje brebe kan ne atiefo ne ahwefo edi enkomo se for happy birthday enkoma chairman of Samara Group of Companies omuna yes saso mosquito coil spray obeni happy birthday o boy adwuma pa o ye brutal boys ya da pa nyame hira ne adwuma pa o boy edema oh my god but mo na sekese koma production team Dominic C Yeboa directors Mauli Priscilla Dache Hire camera sound light MCR munyina mase samaka mo adwumadi ewie peyo nyame ya no china no pa yebesa edi ehia medin de akwasi ensia